If you live in Australia but sell in America or Canada, UK, or some country outside of Australia and you get returns, how do you go about getting those returns back into Australia? In this video, I'm going to show you.
Let's talk about this. Mazarul Rishad. It's an interesting question. I don't think I've ever covered this before, so let's go through it. So essentially what the question is this. If you are based in, for instance, Australia, and you are selling in America, Canada, UK, Germany, somewhere outside of your own country, okay? What do you do when it comes to people that have returned your product and then you want to have a look at that to see why they returned it? Because you've got two choices. You can either, when it gets returned, you can either dispose of the product. If you're like, I don't, you know, it doesn't matter why they returned it. I'm just going to get them to dispose it. I can show you how to do that if you want. Or you can get them to do a removal order and then get it sent to you. But what's the best, most efficient way of doing that? So here we are in Amazon Seller Central. Where am I here? So on manage inventory. So just go to your inventory, whatever it is that's been returned to you, and you can do kind of different kinds of removal orders. So let's just go through the process. Create removal order. So from here, you get to do the removal order for the individual product, or you can do a disposal order. So if you just want to get rid of something, you could just do a disposal order, and Amazon will just, they don't really throw it away. What they actually do, this will knock your socks off. What they actually do is they send it to a company called liquidation.com. Just a side thing. Let me just pause my screen share because I'm aware I've got other things up. Liquidation.com. Let's just get that out of the way. Come on, here we go. So Amazon, anytime you dispose of something from Amazon, and it happens heaps, or you just let all your stock lapse, you've decided you're giving up on Amazon, whatever it may be, this is where it ends up. Liquidation.com. all right, liquidation.com. That's where it all goes. You can pick up some crazy bargains on liquidation.com for stuff that's been returned from Amazon, or stuff that's been disposed from Amazon, some crazy stuff. Anyway, so that's your options, okay? But you've got to get a ship to address, same as if you're doing a disposal. So you can put your order ID in there, you put your order ID in there, but you need an address, okay? So what do you do? Well, if you're in Australia and you want to get your stuff out of Australia that's been returned, then clearly you just put your home address, you get it shipped to yourself. Dead easy. But if you're in Australia and you're selling in somewhere like the USA, then what I use for that is I use USA to me. USA to me. I use this for heaps and heaps of different things, but specifically with regards to Amazon, what I'm doing is if I put a product live and launch a product, and then I get a few returns, I want to know why, if there's something fundamentally wrong with the product, why it's been returned. So I will get a couple of them sent to me. Okay, so just the first ones, just so I can see for myself what the hell's going on. I use USA to me for that. I get a US-based mailbox, and they will send it to me anywhere in the world. So in Australia, in Portugal, no matter where it is, they'll send it to you, okay? That's what I use to do that. It's super easy to have an account like that. Hope that helps. Hi, I'm Neil-Asher from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, and we've helped over 2,000 people right here in Australia start their very own profitable Amazon business and go from zero to over $50 million in sales and growing on Amazon right here in Australia.
We're the largest community of online sellers anywhere in Australia, and you can find out more at AussieOnlineEntrepreneurs.com.au.